Hey folks, this is Buddy Thomas of the SLACKROBATS, and today we're going to learn how to do a side plank on the slack line. First, let's review the ground exercise. So coming down on the ground, I'm going to put my fingers facing away from me, like so. I'm going to stack my shoulder over my wrist. I'm going to take this bottom leg, stack it in line with my arm. From there, I'm going to reach this top arm up towards the sky, maintaining the shoulder stack and thinking about keeping my hips stacked. Take the top leg and stack it on top of the other foot. Heels are stacked, hips are stacked, shoulders are stacked. Okay, now take it to the line. We're going to try and maintain all those stacks on the line as well. So, for line placement, I'm taking my fingers, face it back, place it on the line right about here. You can see that. Placing a little bit of energy down into the line through the arm, thinking about stacking those shoulders from the beginning. From here, there's two ways to move forward. I'll review both of them. The first way, take this foot that's closest to the line, or the one that's going to be on bottom, and place it on the line. As you do that, make sure you don't draw your shoulder away from your wrist. Keep that stacked here. Think about lifting the top arm now towards the sky. You're going to press down into the line with the foot and hand. Find a drifty point, and slowly bring this top leg and stack it on top of the other one. If you do find movement, try to find it just through the chest or this top arm. Think about keeping those hips stacked and lifted. Remember to breathe. And then coming down. So variation 2, similar. I find it to be a little bit harder because you have to slide the bottom foot in underneath the top foot. Here's what it looks like. Both are good to get in. Play with both of them and see which one you like better. Let me know in the comments. So, second variation. Same get up, keep the stack here. Instead of taking this bottom foot and put it on, we're gonna take the top foot, put it on. Keeping the stack, take the arm up high, press down into the line with both feet and hand. Slowly take this knee in, put the foot on the line, slide it. This is where it gets a little bit more tricky. You have to slide this foot, top foot out a little bit to give room to straighten this bottom leg, and then take that top foot and slide it on top. Whole time, make sure you stay stacked with your shoulder over your wrist. Keep those hips high. Remember to breathe. Find a dristy. That's how you do side plank on the slack line. Send us your videos. Send us your comments. If you have anything you're working on but you need a little help, let us know. Check us out at slackerbatsacademy.com. Peace.